no English in the apartment. Miss Ryan had left a few things there, so she went back to get her things. Lynn says not only did she take her things, but she took all of her clothes and other stuff when she came to the apartment and found Lynn's mother there and Lynn's son there. So Lynn called the police and Miss Ryan was arrested. Her case was ultimately dismissed because, according to Miss Ryan, Miss Lynn couldn't prove that she actually stole her property. So now here we are. Lynn wants the value of her property that Miss Ryan allegedly took, and Miss Ryan is counterclaiming for false arrest, alleging that she never took any property that didn't belong to her, and Lynn had her falsely arrested for theft.